What's up, guys? Fuck. How am I gonna do this shit? I don't know. How the fuck is this? Fucking lean you up against here like so. Alright. What's up, guys? It's me, Tristan. What's up, nigga? Got my zippo here. Flame's pretty big on it, yeah, I know. I'm gonna do a little video tutorial on how to snap light after you open your zippo and you take your finger and you snap it and then it lights. I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how to do that. Well, anyway, here we go, and then I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to open it cool first, though. So here we go. So see what you do on that. Take your fingers, your middle finger and your pointer finger. Then you put your thumb on the bottom like this. If y'all can see that. Then you take these two fingers, put these two fingers down, put these two up here. Alright? Then it'll open. That's how you do that. But now to do both of them at the same time, and you hold it. And one more time, and then I'll show you how. Fuck. Alright, to do the snapping thing, when you light it, that's gonna be a little tricky. Ow, son of a bitch, that was hot. But anyway, after you open it, take only these two. Yeah, Anyway, that was really fucking stupid. This is like my probably about 6th or 7th YouTube video. Need to quit doing that before I burn all my fluid out. Yeah, I do smoke sometimes. Smoke a little bit of too. But anyway, how y'all do snap light. Okay. Take these two fingers, your thumb and your middle finger. Put your middle finger on the grinder thingy. If y'all can see this. This little thingy right here. Okay, put your middle finger on it. And then close your fingers. And that's how you do the snap plus cool opening plus snap light. That's how you do that. I'll show y'all one more time. And there you go. That's how you do it. Fake rubber breasts. My brother. Later.